1 minute and 30 seconds.
Last 60 seconds. Talagang pula.
Congratulations to the champion, the PGT Black of General Santos City. So we will have our awarding tonight. The third runner-up, the second runner-up, the first, and of course, the champion team. And again, thank you so much to Port Hub, Season 2, thank you sa ating SKU natin, thank you so much. And of course, bawat tupunan, talaga napapasaya ninyo ang taga-bulong-bulong